This is a metaphor of the immunization world that STC is going to replace with Stc One. It's a freight train. We are going to replace it with a new platform that is no longer stuck on a track and operates like the freight train.
One team, one vision, one path to the future. Introducing Stc One.
Okay, a little history lesson here. Back in the early 90s, CDC had a vision for childhood immunization registries. STC got into the business, and we got into the business by building PC applications that connected through dial-ups to centralized databases at state public health environments. This was the first stage of registries. We went to the second evolution, and that is when the internet came online. And the internet offered opportunities for more direct communications, but again, to the same centralized databases. So the databases that were built here for the first generation are the same databases that were used in the second generation. The internet offered capability that wasn't existing in the original PCs, where just a few physicians, a few doctors had access to this environment as the discovery process moved to a world now that has many clinicians and many physicians and many pharmacists all accessing these systems at one time. So now what we have are those significant health data assets within the public health environment. We are about to embark on the third generation of the evolution of immunization registries, and it requires new technologies.
Technology now that's different is it breaks, instead of every new feature being embedded inside the IAS, whether it's school nurse, health promotions, child care, interoperability, everything was baked into the IAS. In the new world, we are creating an IAS that can consume a variety of services that could be built by us or others, to include vaccine ordering, interoperability, smart AFIX, and the list goes: consumer access. This is the pathway. In order to get there, we need to unify around the legacy so that we're all moving together at the same tempo.
This is the third generation of immunization registries. And the reason we need to go there is we have reached the great divide. We have reached the capabilities of what states are able to do and sustain with these existing environments that we currently work in. We need new platforms that promote this type of architecture, that incorporate single sign-on processes, new technologies like CDC's vision for smart AFIX, which STC built, which is one of these plugins in this environment, and a whole host of other new environments. STC is creating an environment called Stc One, a platform called Stc One, which is the next generation of PC 2000, iWeb, Internet Web, and then a platform for the next 30 years. Stc One is the environment that's going to allow all of our clients, and frankly, any state who has a legacy system like this, to move to an environment that is sustainable, lower cost, and has greater impacts, using these significant health data assets that are growing every day because of the electronic data exchanges that are flowing into these systems.
It's about time.
Let's make it happen.
All right.
In parts, we can meet many of today's challenges, but as one, we'll solve the challenges of tomorrow.